Welcome back to another episode of Work in Progress. Today we will be going over the career fair so that you can feel more confident as you make your way through the fair. The Spring 2025 Career Fair will be happening in Clemson's Littlejohn Coliseum from February 17th through the 20th. Each day begins at noon and goes until 4 p.m. From Monday through Wednesday, the main companies that will be represented at the career fair will be STEM related, so science, technology, engineering, and manufacturing. On that Thursday, the main companies that will be represented will be humanities, social sciences, business, and education. Keep in mind that employers can register for any of the days of the career fair, even if their company is not necessarily featured in that field. And also keep in mind that companies are hiring for all kinds of majors. They aren't necessarily only hiring for what's in their field. Littlejohn Coliseum is a large circle, which can make it easy to navigate. What can be confusing is finding where each table is located in such a large space. If you want to come prepared to navigate the career fair, log into Clemson JobLink and click Events in the top upper right-hand corner. Once on the events page, scroll down until you see the event title, Spring Career Fair 2025. This will bring you to the information page on the career fair. Click on the Employers tab next. This page shows you every employer who is registered to come to the career fair and what days they are attending. Clicking on an employer will also reveal what majors they are looking for, as well as any jobs or internships they are currently seeking candidates for. This can be really helpful for those of you looking for your next internship or new job. Once you get to the fair, you will have access to our live mobile career fair map, so you can see which companies are located where day of. Something to think about is coming prepared for the career fair. One of the biggest ways you can prep for the career fair is by updating your resume. We strongly recommend that students bring in a hard copy of their resume so that you can hand it to employers when you visit their tables. If you haven't looked at your resume in a while, or if you just want another set of eyes on it, you have a couple options. You can either sign up for an appointment with the Career Center, head to drop-ins in the library from 1:30 to 3:30 Monday through Friday, or you can head to our Resume Blitz events that will occur the week before the career fair. All of these are great ways for the Career Center to look at your resume and let you know what needs to be fixed before you go to the career fair. Something else we strongly recommend is for students to dress to impress. The career fair is recommended to be a business casual, business professional event. If you don't have items that fit that recommendation, we recommend you go to the Career Closet. The Career Closet is a great resource for students that gives business casual and business professional clothing to all of our students for free. You don't have to return their items, and they are a great resource to use. For more information, visit their Instagram at CU Career Closet. Another way to prepare for the career fair is to look on Clemson JobLink before you head to the fair to see what companies will be there and when. Doing your research on a company you're particularly interested in can help you to figure out what tables you want to visit when you're at the fair. Being able to specifically tell an employer why you want to work at their company can help leave a lasting impression. The Career Center will also be hosting pre-fair events throughout the week before the career fair, so be sure to stay tuned to our Instagram at ClemsonCCPD and our emails to find out what events we're hosting and when. When it comes to approaching a table at the career fair, it can be nerve-wracking. We recommend students create a 30-second commercial, also known as an elevator pitch, before they head into the career fair. What you would do in this 30-second commercial is state who you are, what you do at Clemson as well as your year, what you're looking for in terms of employment, and a question for the employer you're speaking to. Now, if you already know what company you're going to go to, we recommend that you tailor this 30-second commercial towards the company that you're applying for. The reason we say this is that an employer is going to recognize that you've done your research and that you know that you're interested in the position they are looking for. Now, your conversation may not read exactly as your 30-second commercial states, but it's a smart plan to have talking points so that you're not overwhelmed by everything that happens while you're there. Something else to keep in mind is your body language. Start the conversation off with a strong handshake if possible, and be sure to stay active in the conversation. Maintaining eye contact and having good posture are great ways to project confidence. And if you don't feel confident, it's okay to act as if you do. The more you project confidence, the more you'll start to believe in it yourself. And we know this isn't easy. Don't overthink it too much. The employers are there because they want to hire you. They are rooting for you to succeed, and so try to think of this as a positive experience where you can make lasting connections and potentially find the job or internship you have been searching for. Good luck, Tigers!